I gave her everything. But look what she did to me.
It's okay. You really are meant for each other. For sure. You'll be back for each other's arms again. Don't worry.
I know how to forget her. Come with me.
See? I told you! Are you really sure about this? Of course, Jir!
Take. It will give you so much happiness. For her, you forget about her.
Fine.
In the valley.
What you're doing to your life. You're ruining everything. Better get things right. Come on, what's happening to you?
Oi! Everything's right. What's happening to me? I lost all my money. How could I take those things again?
Can I borrow you some money? Why? For the drugs? No way! Just give me some, so I can leave this place. You know what? It's never too late. How could you say that? I lost my friends, my money, and the one I love. Now you're telling me that it's never been too late? God. Yes, it's really not. Just start to aim. For sure, it'll show you the right way.